how to set up Vodafone Hotspot in your iPhone. So first of all, for that you'll have to head towards your settings. From settings here, make sure your cellular data is turned on because it's from the SIM, and make sure you must have, of course, yeah, Vodafone SIM. Now from there you'll have to go to this personal hotspot section. So that means you can simply go ahead and turn on this all others to join, and then once they connect to you via Bluetooth or USB or Wi-Fi, they can simply use your hotspot. So you can simply they can connect using Wi-Fi. Choose iPhone from the Wi-Fi settings on your computer or other device. Enter the password when prompted. You can simply see you can change your password. Like for example, this is very hard. You can simply put on the password. You can change it like this, and once you do that, when your password is changed, you can simply go ahead share your password. In case of like computer devices, you can simply go to the Wi-Fi settings, and if you can't see those settings of Wi-Fi or appearing Wi-Fi, the name of this device, the particular device where I'm turning on my hotspot, you'll simply have to go and use your USB cable, and then you can simply go ahead and use the hotspot. So that's for the video. Hopefully this video helps. Thank you.